Hi guys. Oh wait, I need a chair.
Hi guys.
What is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So it's now the second day of me living in my apartment. I am gonna be going to IKEA, TJ Maxx, and maybe like Home Goods to go buy furniture, and I'm planning... Can you stop? I actually ordered some stuff off Amazon, which I'll show you guys at the end of the video, but I'm gonna go to IKEA today and buy most of my furniture there. I actually have some furniture in here already, but I need like other things like a bed frame, a couch.
I'm sorry.
So this is a part 2 of my moving vlog. I have a lot to do today and I plan to make sure I buy everything on one day. I like to get things done like that. So I'm planning to buy all my furniture and everything that I need in this apartment all in one day. So let's go do this after we eat our KFC that we bought last night. Okay guys, so we just got to IKEA. We're about to start shopping for everything we need. I don't like this area. Oh, but I do like the plants. I like how they have like the little kids area to leave your kids by you. I like these plants. Look at these plants. Can I just... Oh, this is what I want. I want this, babe.
Why? It's so useless.
No, it's
it
not.
just takes up room that isn't...
Oh my god, shut up. You don't know anything about decorating.
Okay, this is dumb.
Okay guys, so we're trying to figure out how we want our couches. So we did this one. You want to try this brand now? This one's like that.
Okay.
You can try this one and see how much.
Oh wait, that one's actually pretty low. Go back.
You don't like it?
Go back. See, like, look at the difference. That one's so flat and this one's thick. That's the one we were looking at.
Yeah, but this is like probably cheaper.
Okay.
Let's see. Hold on. Start from scratch. Okay, there's a corner. Wait, first color. Is this gray?
Yeah.
There's...
Or you can even do this one if you want.
Let me see that one.
That's nice.
Okay, so corner. Oh, no, I don't like that color.
That's nice.
Okay, that with...
And then something right there. Either this or gray, it doesn't matter. Whichever one.
Okay, I'm just gonna take a picture. Is it in stock? Oh, it's in stock. Okay. Me and Elijah are so indecisive right now, and like, I like white theme, but I also like this type of furniture, like the wood, the white oak wood, and we're just arguing about which one we should get.
Ugh.
Oh, this is cute. What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, this is cute. Look. It comes with more. Look. What? Like that. Oh my god, there's another one. This would be cute. This is cute. Okay, I'm gonna get this.
No, wait. Let me
No,
see
I know what it is.
What do you use it for?
Something. It's gonna look nice. We need trash cans.
Just wasting money.
Trash can. Wait, this could be a trash can. Right? I don't want to touch the trash can though. Like,
That's not,
I want to be bougie in the one that goes like that and it opens for you. Like, I don't want to touch the trash.
It's just like
oh my god, I like this one too. Oh, I love this one. Wait, is this throw blankets? It is a throw blanket. This one's nice too.
I think this one or this one.
I like this too.
Like
no,
this one?
no, I like this one. This could be going in our room.
Or
Ew, what's wrong with it? Why
that's how it's made.
Did they not sew it right?
Look, see?
Ew, this is how big it is? That's so ugly. I'm disappointed. Throw blanket. It's
For
called a...
the couch and the bed?
Yeah.
Say yes.
Yes. I don't know. I really... Which one do you like? This one or this one?
I just told you, like, for the 4th time, this one.
Which one do you like? This one or this one?
Give me. Wait. You're getting 2 of the same?
Oh, wait, what? Oh my god, I'm so fucking confused. I like them.
Because it's too flat.
Like my chest. It's like, you act like we're gonna use the pillows. Like, it's for decoration. How about this pillow? How much is it? $19 for a pillow? Oh, okay. This is $3.99. Are you kidding me? I just need to throw in some gray pillows and we're good. I want the carpet to look like this, but...
The carpet for what? This isn't a carpet.
This is too big.
This is like a rug. She wants this rug to put under the coffee table in the living room. So it's an off-white? I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, wait, there's something over there. Stop. You almost made me cry. Why don't they have small carpets?
Cut it.
Yeah, let me go get my little scissors and start cutting the carpet. You act like it's
No.
easy. I have one like this already, but I want another one. I'm in like my favorite area right now, the plants.
Show all the way back.
Okay guys, so here are all the things I grabbed off the shelf. That's ours, right? That's ours. That's ours. That's ours. Okay guys, so we just got back home. I literally went to Walmart and spent like $500 on groceries. It's still not a lot. There's like, so we have some stuff here, over here. I got a rice cooker because I'm a typical Asian. I got some paper napkins, water bottles. What else did I get? Oh, I also got like knives, cooking cooking pot. I'm so freaking tired. Towels, pillows. I got her a rug because I couldn't find a nice one in IKEA. I got, focus please. I got a cutting board, more cooking pans, trash bags. And here's all the stuff we got at IKEA. All of them are here. Is this all of it?
There's more in the guest room.
Oh, where? Can you stop? Oh my god, you're so lucky that there was nothing in there. Oh yeah, here's this. We got a big mirror, even though I already have a mirror. Stuff in here. Oh my god, I literally look so busted. Okay, so IKEA forgot one of our plants. So we have to go back right now. They close in literally an hour, so we have to go back and go get my plant because I paid like $28 for that plant. Okay, so I'm gonna go change, and I want to show you guys some of the stuff I ordered off of Amazon as well. So, guys, she's here cleaning right now. I don't need you to wash dishes for me. I can wash.
Why do you have so much plant? Where are you gonna put all that? It's just gonna collect dust.
No, I'm not. You don't know yet. Just watch.
It's fake plant collect dust. You're supposed to have real plant.
I do have real plant. That's
where?
Right there.
The one that's dead?
That. That one's real right there. I ordered a bunch of stuff off Amazon, and I want to show y'all. What is this? Oh, this is a shower curtain. So I ordered a white shower curtain. Okay, let's see what's in here. In here, I got this like bathroom set. It's like marble. It looks like this. Super cute. Comes with a little soap dispenser, and then it came with this as well, and then this is for like your toothbrush. I guess this was like for Q-tips or something. I ordered some marble coasters. Most of my furniture in here is all white, so I wanted some coasters. Plus I really love marble, and I saw this on Amazon and I was like, I really have to get it. So I have no clue what this is. Oh, these are cooking utensils. So I bought a bunch of cooking utensils because now that I have my own kitchen, I can like cook, and plus I don't live at home anymore and my mom can't cook for me, so now I have to cook for myself. And it's not a shocker, but I did get them all in marble. As you guys can tell, here it is, all in marble. I feel like this is like Christmas. I don't know why, but I kind of enjoy all of this. Okay, I have marble plates and bowls. As you guys can tell, it came with 4. And then here are the big plates. So here I got these like little, this is for the kitchen, by the way. I got a lot of kitchen stuff. So this is for my kitchen, and you kind of put these here. There's supposed to be 3. I have more here. I feel like an adult right now. Like, you know you're growing up when these things like interest you. Ooh. So this is a pot plant holder. So you put it like this, and I think it's this way. No, it's this way. So you take this plant right here, and you put it like that. Ooh. Okay. So you're probably thinking this is just a big dream catcher, but it's actually a chair, and I'll show you guys. Here, look. Also, by the way, I ordered these things too, so super cute. I just have to go get fake plants for it. So now I have to put everything together and then do a little apartment tour. I need to clean up now. Yay. Okay, let's go. So it's now currently the next day. I just got back from shopping at TJ Maxx, Hobby Lobby. I went back to IKEA because they actually forgot to give me this plant, which I'll show you guys, one of the real plants that I wanted. I look really bad. They forgot to give me this plant, so I had to go back and I actually bought more stuff while I was there too. I also went to Home Goods and then Urban Outfitters, so I want to show you guys some of the stuff I got. I don't want to show you guys too much of the apartment because you guys will see that later. But here, I got this big dream catcher from TJ Maxx. This bench is from Home Goods. It was like $129. I didn't even take the price tag off yet. I got this rug from Urban, and I actually bought a carpet for our living room from Walmart, and I low-key hate it, so I'm gonna go to Urban and buy a bigger rug, kind of like this design, but much bigger, and it's gonna be like white or black for the living room. I bought this at Home Goods, not sure where I want to put it yet. Of course, I literally went to Target and bought a bunch of plants, like no joke. I wish I kind of bought real plants because my mom said fake plants get dusty. But my theme is kind of like modern, but I also have some stuff that are kind of like urban. I wanted to film me like shopping and everything, but I couldn't film this day because I was by myself. Elijah wasn't here to like help me carry everything, and it was a lot of things. We actually got everything from IKEA already built, so now I just have to clean up, pack all my stuff. Anyways, I hope you guys like this part 2 to my moving out series. I can't wait for you guys to see the end results of the apartment. But stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.